In 1985, Bob Brandt Jr. set out to build something different, a construction company rooted in integrity, collaboration, and care. From the beginning, Benchmark Construction was guided by a belief that building could be more than contracts and deadlines. It could be about people, trust, and doing things the right way.
My inspiration was the thought that I could assemble a team of talented individuals who thought that collectively we could deliver a better client experience than what was available within the market in 1985.
I would learn every person's name, every person in the field, their wife, their kids. And I would address them by name, and I would ask them about their families and their kids and what was going on. They were important to me, and I wanted them to know that they were important to me.
For Bob, it wasn't just about building projects, it was about building relationships. He believed that truly knowing people was the foundation for everything else.
Knowing people, appreciating people, promoting people, giving raises, working to have the best compensation and benefits package, those things have been important.
Supporting people was only part of the equation. The other part was showing up every day with values that others could trust.
I think number one, honesty, integrity, loyalty. You have to walk the walk. You have to demonstrate it. And you demonstrate it when you're with people all day long and how you treat people.
When the market collapsed in 2008, Benchmark faced one of its hardest chapters, but the culture that was started helped guide the company forward under a new generation of leadership.
When I became president and CEO was September of 2008. 3 weeks later, stock market crashes. For the next 2 months, every phone call I got, it seemed like, was from my clients saying, we're not going to do that job. We can't afford it. But it was tough. And it was tough for the next 2 years. So, that's what inspired me to go to this leadership institute out in Colorado to see what maybe I wasn't doing or what I needed to change. When I came back from that, I came back with a lot of takeaways. One was, get a core purpose, core values, establish those. Every staff meeting I ever had, I always talked about our core values and our core purpose. Every new employee that comes in to see me, I still talk about them because I think that's the foundation of us that, allows us to differentiate ourselves.
What truly sets Benchmark apart isn't just how we build, it's how we show up for our people every day. That's something our clients see in every handshake, every job site, and every face.
Our employees have always been friendly people. Our clients always talk about how, our employees are, they're not just interested in getting their work done. They approach the client on the job site as helpful. That's the way we're built.
And that spirit of care and connection is alive today, stronger than ever.
The things that excite me most about what we do is how we continue to grow our culture, how we continue to engage our community. And it all starts with trust. Trust is given for me, trust is given to our people. And when you give trust, your people gain the confidence to seek more opportunity. And that is what continues to grow us as a business. And that's what continues to allow us to be on the leading edge of making change in the places we work. We talk a lot about creating high-performing teams that have each other's back. And the having each other's back is the most important part. And that comes in all different ways, caring, supporting, picking up the slack on the job site, whatever it may be.
As we look ahead, we carry forward a legacy shaped by trust, resilience, and people who lead by example at every level in every generation.
I have the privilege of growing that business and seeing where the opportunities are to influence my own kids and our people, really.
And as we step into the next 40 years, we do it together with the same purpose that brought us here.
I certainly was inspired to start the company by a vision of a better company, but that inspiration was fueled by the support of my wife and my kids. Now, if my wife wouldn't have bought in on this thing, there would be no Benchmark today. And she certainly rolled the dice and made a hell of a gamble, and it all paid off.
Benchmark was built on values, but more than that, it was built by people. And after 40 years, that's still what matters most. Benchmark Construction, 40 years, built on values, built together, built to achieve.